Alright guys, well, about to call it a night here. Got the fuel rail installed, pressure gauge. Got the lockdown bolt, found one with a nice chrome plate. Looks good. Got the fuel line ran. Need to find a return line. Water pump installed. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow we'll be firing it up. Can't wait. Hope y'all are enjoying this. Started slapping the wires on there, didn't get very far. I got distracted and pulled away, but looks good. I need to trim down this bolt, so